Alright, what's up everybody? So I just wanted to do an update on my garden. This is what I just finished up. If you notice, next to some of the containers there's a packet. That's because I just finished planting those. The rain's getting ready to come in about 2 to 3 hours, so I don't have to water anything in. And this was just another large planting of watermelons and cantaloupes. On video, this is what I planted last week or a few days ago. So I didn't water anything in, but the rain will come in and we'll see the germination rates of everything. But a couple of seeds have already popped up without being watered, so everything's going good already. And you can notice here, this is one of the water bottles that I cut in half, the Nestle Pure Life. And you can see this is growing quite well. It's already developed, sending out its second true leaf. I just did this planting not too long ago. This is Hearts of Gold cantaloupe right here. This is Jubilee, Georgia Rattlesnake, and All Sweet. And here's some fresh things that I planted after that. They're popping up on their own also. But everything's basically doing well. If you check out the border, most of the seeds are coming up. It's a mixture of watermelon, cantaloupe, and squash. Only a couple of squash varieties along this border, but there are some in there. And if we come inside the bed, we can see a few melons forming. So this is Orange Glow variety. It's Orange Glow, and this is Apple Melon. This is a cantaloupe variety. Another one back, a couple more back this way. There's more. They're all in here, honestly. So I'm not gonna dig through the vines too much since there's so many. Here's bitter melon. This is Taiwan White. I believe this one may be getting sunburned, so I just tucked it under some leaves. It feels soft to the touch, so I think it might be ready for harvest. And over here I have another bitter melon, Taiwan White. Got two more of them. This is how it looks without the sunburn. It's a smaller one right there, and here's a larger one. So this is bitter melon. Border plants, watermelon, cantaloupe, squash. I just finished putting some coffee grounds in. I need to go pick up some more from Starbucks. Some free use coffee grounds from Starbucks so I can fertilize with. This is an okra bloom that's beginning to close. Jing orange okra. And matter of fact, I actually want to do an okra harvest with you guys. So I brought my handy dandy clippers. I'm just gonna get the okra that are about 3 inches or longer. I'm letting this one go to seed right here. This long okra, I'm letting that one go to seed. I'm letting a couple of them go to seed. See, there's a lot of okra in there. It's not focusing.